The Innerwell Fry Sauté Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. This makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. You can sauté vegetables or fry eggs without much oil. The 10-inch size is versatile for many cooking tasks. It is also induction compatible. This means it works on different types of stovetops. The goal is simple, easy cooking. This Innerwell Fry Sauté Pan is also oven safe. You can start cooking on the stove. Then you can transfer it to the oven to finish. This adds to its versatility. The pan is PFOA free. This is important for consumer health. It means no harmful chemicals are used in the nonstick coating. Many devices in your kitchen can benefit from this pan. Think about making a quick breakfast or a simple dinner. The conduction of heat is efficient. In review, the Innerwell Fry Sauté Pan is a solid choice. It offers non-stick convenience and oven safety. It works on induction cooktops. Plus, it is PFOA free for peace of mind. Cleaning is easy, often just needing a sponge. While it might not be automotive grade, it's built for the demands of a home kitchen. Consider adding this Innerwell Fry Sauté Pan to your stock of cooking components. It aims to simplify your cooking experience. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, induction compatible, oven safe, PFOA free, versatile use. Durable, even heating, healthy cooking, good quality. Cons: non-stick may degrade, handle assembly needed, uneven heating reported, not fully non-stick. For some, durability of coating, handle might loosen, potential for warping, size might be small, not completely scratch-proof, requires careful use. Features: non-stick 10-inch size, for sautéing, good for frying, can be used for griddling, induction compatible, oven safe, PFOA free, easy to clean, durable build. The Innerwell 10-inch nonstick frying pan is a versatile and durable pan perfect for everyday cooking. It can be used to sauté, fry, and griddle your favorite foods. This pan works on all kinds of stovetops, even induction, and you can also put it in the oven. It has a non-stick surface that is PFOA free, which means it's easy to cook with less oil and simple to clean. The pan is built to last, so you can use it for a long time without any problems. The Innerwell 10-inch nonstick frying pan is designed for versatile cooking, including sautéing, frying, and griddling, and it's compatible with induction cooktops and oven safe. It boasts a PFOA-free nonstick surface that makes it easy to clean and promotes healthy cooking by reducing the need for oil, while also providing even heating. However, some users have reported potential issues like the non-stick coating degrading over time, the handle requiring assembly and possibly loosening, uneven heating in some cases, and it not being completely non-stick or scratch-proof, suggesting it needs careful use and might not be the most durable option. The size might also be considered small by some.